Kawasure ni jokony mula koro nyalo buonjo kaluwore gi chenro ma piny owacho okawo mar bero sekta no. Kawuoyo gi jofwambo e romo mano bagi Kisumu, jatend migawo mar weche mag lupo kaachiel kod mwandu manie bwolo Salimburia oyango ni sirikal ni kod chenro mar gero senta e kaunti ma Vihiga, kama chenro mar medo mula ndhadhu ibiro timie kaka yo mar jiwo yuto pacho ka kokalo kuom mula. Kotene kod jalup gavana ma Kisumu Laktar Matthews Owili osiro okang' ma kamano mawacho ni mano dhi dino ne achudhe ma osethiro dongruok e sekta mar mula.
In that sector, we also take cognizance that there are millions of Kenyans who work in that sector as artisanal miners. And again, we are registering them into cooperative societies. We are big now on value addition and mineral processing, and therefore we have mapped the country and identified key value centers according to minerals, and that process is ongoing. For example, here in Vihiga, we've already advertised for expression of interest for granite processing, because we feel that tiles should be made here in Kenya, and you know we can value add the stones here, and we can get value for money. We have also advertised for gold refinery, which we want to do here in the western region, to mop all the gold from these areas, from Siaya, from Migori, and we have a point where it's now a market, you know, for the artisanal miners, and then other small scale.
Then they can be able to fetch a good price, but also that we can also eliminate middlemen that have made our people poor for a long time out of a very profitable venture. So we are looking forward to the completion of the project.
Erokamano nyakoro Ramogi kuom keto Ramogi TV mane makelo e giko mar weche